welcome back to another episode of our channel. Today, guys, we're going to dive into our real estate hero section landing page here. Guys, we're going to dive in and then we're going to design this. Let me just close this for a bit. We're going to design this really short episode, right? I'm trying to give you guys as many episodes as we can. Let's hit to 100, right, guys? So reach out to me if you need landing pages, websites, mobile apps, UX audits, and web apps as well. My contacts are right down below. Subscribe, like, share, and please, guys, comment down below so that I know what you guys are thinking. Let's dive into this, guys. Let's dive into this. All right, guys, let's press F for frame. F for frame. Just name this as real estate landing. Real estate landing page. Real estate landing page. Something like this. Right, guys? Okay, cool. So let's dive into the rest of this. So what do I mean by that? Let's just copy this. Now first, let me ungroup all of this. Right, cool. Let's get our logo. It's called bait. Let's just see what font this is that I've used. Nito Sun. T for text, home, right? And then off the home, copy paste, about us, copy paste, service, copy paste, testimonials, copy paste, contact. Right here, let's just make it a little bit closer, not too close, but not too far either. We are here designing the navigation bar, by the way. This how you don't want to make it too close, you don't want to make them too far. Another thing that you can do is set them closer to one another. 1, 2. Either you align them to the logo part, which is in the left, or you align them to the right, which we will find here. Since it's a platform, let's find here, instead of fill, let's use this color, T for text, login. Here we go. Right. Now this one, since this is the home page, so it's important when you're designing a landing page to make sure that the user knows in which page that they are. In this case, since we are on the home page, we're going to click here I, which means for our drop, and then we click on the blue so that it can stay blue, and then the remainder of these ones we change them to gray to show that we are not on the remaining of these other pages, right? So let's change here to gray to show that these pages are not selected. Another thing that we can do as well is click on the home, Control if you're on Windows, and Command if you're on Mac, B for bold, for black, for extra black, like that. And then last piece is R for rectangle, and then we do something like this, a small rectangle at the bottom. Increase the stroke, and same thing here. Then we group these as well. Okay. And remember our cheat code for previous channel, R for rectangle. Let's see if these are the same. sides here. Put it there. And boom. Right? Cool. Now let's copy paste this image. Copy paste. Right. Cool. Another thing, guys, when picking an image, it's important that you pick an image that has a lot of space. For example, in this image over here, it has space enough for you to type text on your left, right? And then on the right, it already has an image. So when selecting an image, is really, really, really important that it goes along with whatever it is that you're trying to do. In this case, you want text on the left, right? So we choose an image that has enough space on the left. See, this is the case. So T for text. Let's find a home that's perfect for you. Let's try 50. Let's try bold. This one, let's put it in blue. And the other one, put it in white. Still not big enough. Go back, select both of them, put it like on 80. 80 is too large, try 70, 70. I personally like 70, so we can keep that. And then T for text. We are here to help you. Select all of that. 30. 20. We are here to help you find the right place for you and your family. And your family. Right, let's put that in white. And put like on regular. Right? Cool. Now, R for rectangle. The huge rectangle at the bottom, right? Put it in white. Fix corners. 20 to fix corners. Now, instead of to overlay it with the same one at the back, and then you don't see it if you click it, so make sure you click it, drop effects so that it can drop shadow. Don't spread it too much. Make it slightly blurry. Something like that. Not too much, not too little. Okay. Then R for rectangle again. 3 rectangles in this case. So let's try to make them as even as possible. 1, 2, 3. Too big. Go back. Let's make them slightly smaller. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth one is our search. So T for text, search. And put it white. In the rest of them, let's put it in, I'd say, a lighter shade of gray. This one. Somewhere in between. This one should be fine. Right, let's take all these icons. This one, that one, that one, that one. Remember, guys, feel free to take any of these icons. All right, let's just use my icon library here. I use huge icons, but you guys feel free to use any other library you guys would like. Let's use search. There we go. This one. Arrow. There we go. Then house. There we go. Then location. There we go. Right. Cool. Now, T for text. What will you do? Instead of using black, we can use another shade of light gray, which is this one, as long as it's visible. Then we'll take our search icon, something like that. Okay, now we take our arrow. Type house. There we go. And last but not least, the location one, which is city or zip code. Now let's do something else. Let's take these and reduce it to like 18. Not too big, not too small. 16 is fine. Align everything. Okay. I personally like the way it's simple like this, guys. I give you a challenge to try to design the rest of this. Feel free, right? But I personally like how I designed the second time around. The first time around, yeah, I like it too, but this one is also nice. That way you get to use both spaces, as in the house. The house is quite visible, as well as the text on the left. So guys, thank you so much for today's episode. Feel free to reach out to me if you need websites, landing page, mobile apps, web apps, UX audits, anything else in between. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next episode.